Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to recover all deleted chats on Telegram. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the updated version both for your phone and your Telegram. Let's start with the phone first by going to settings and looking for the one that they call general. Look for software update and you're going to see this one. There is no pending update. It doesn't really matter what kind of version you have, just make sure that there is no pending update. Other than that, so we have checked our phone is up to date. Next one, go to App Store and make sure Telegram also is up to date. And I think there is a pending update on my end, but the current version of my Telegram is enough for this feature. So like see right there, Telegram Messenger, there's an update just yesterday. So please update it. If you still doesn't have the update before yesterday, other than that, please open up Telegram. So once I open up Telegram right here, I'm gonna choose a chat. I'm gonna go for this one. Now, so for example, I can just delete this one both for me and the other end. For example, I want to delete for both of us. And as you can see right there is no remaining chats. There is no option to retrieve this one directly from Telegram. What we can do is go to the Play Store or App Store if using your iOS device or Android. So basically for this one, I'm going to type in here recover deleted messages. And look for the one that says on the green one. This one right here. This is the perfect one. It also works for WhatsApp, by the way. So WhatsApp and Telegram, this is the one for you. Just install this one and that's it. It will auto recover all your deleted messages in a span of 30 days, 20 days, depending on your liking. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.